how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Instagram on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Here, tap on the Account Center option and under the Account Settings tab, you will see the Personal Details option. Tap on that and then tap on the Account Ownership and Control option and further tap on the Deactivation or Deletion option. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, select the Deactivate Account option and tap on the Continue button. You will then be required to enter your account password, so go ahead and enter your account password and tap on Continue. Finally, tap on the Deactivate Account button, and with this, your account will be deactivated. You can reactivate your account anytime you want within 30 days, and after 30 days, your account will be proceeded for deletion if you don't open it. So, this is how you can temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.